here's our building. And just over yonder, there's Contemporary. Is that Narcoossee's?
Yeah, I think so.
We couldn't get reservations. I see a castle.
I see it too.
You do? Oh, look how pretty. I think we're the 5th floor, Phil. It said 5th floor. Yeah. I love the elevator.
I'm gonna get out. I want to get out.
Okay.
I'm so excited. Are you so excited?
Yeah.
Are we at Disney?
Yeah.
I'm so excited.
I can't wait to see what
We're gonna be here for a week, Landon.
down.
It's a hydraulic piston system. I knew that, Landon. All right, we're 75155. I'm coming down in the elevator. Right here.
Do you want me? I'm not talking yet.
Oh, here we are.
Look, our magnet. Now shiny.
Oh, no way. Phil, look at this room. Holy moly.
It even has a balcony.
Overlooking Magic Kingdom. Oh, Phil. Holy moly. Do we have a castle view? I'm gonna cry.
I can see.
Oh my gosh, not quite a castle view, but we have a water view. I am dying. This is gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look at this room. Cathedral ceilings. Yeah, come on in. I don't think so.
Look.
So gorgeous.
Mama, look, I found my Bible.
You found your Bible. Lana, do you love it?
Yeah.
I love it so much. It's gorgeous. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. I'm so excited we got one of the new rooms. Did he leave? Yeah. We have robes. We have the steamer. Look at even that detail. Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. We really did.
I'm gonna dress up in a new outfit.
You want a new outfit?
Yeah.
We have... Oh my gosh, look! The Mary Poppins.
Oh, how come? Do I look like Daddy? Do I look like you?
Yeah.
Oh, that's interesting. There's outlets on the side. Oh, fanciest hairdryer box I've ever seen.
Is there any mirrors?
Yeah, right there in the closet.
Oh my, even the light is sideways.
The light is sideways?
Mom, look.
This is so pretty. I'm like dying, Phil.
Mama, look.
What, honey? Oh, wow. Very fancy. Look, Landon, there's penguins and birds on our chandelier.
Oh, yeah.
Is this not the prettiest room we've ever had at Disney? And you can sleep on this bed if you want.
Would you like an extra pillow?
Or in the king bed with us. And look, that's Mary Poppins. We are headed out. I absolutely love this room. If you've known If you've seen any of my other Disney videos, my biggest complaint and the reason I can't stay in this room again, there's no shaving ledge. And I prefer for a 5-year-old to still have a bath to put her in. So I think we have to do a bath from now on. But Disney, if you do a shower, you have to do it, like there's no ledge to shave at all. At one point, I just like sat on the floor because it's so dangerous to have to put your foot up and balance on. It's like yoga. So big no-no on this room for women who shave their legs. But the good news is it's not slippery. It's very non-slip tile that they used. And just gorgeous. Let's talk about the bed real quick. It was kind of on the hard side, and these pillows are absolutely enormous. Landon couldn't even put her head on it to sleep. She slept in between us. So, I don't know. It's no Disney cruise bed. Out on the balcony, they have, I guess, counter height, right? Mm-hmm. So you can see over here at this gorgeous sunset. It's so pretty. I love this outlet on our nightstand. It was perfect for our nighttime setup with the charger and the white noise machine. Here's what the couch looks like when it's set up as a bed, which my daughter did not use. We were so surprised on our third night to go out on the balcony and see a partial fireworks view of Happily Ever After. It was a really special couple of nights to go out there. My daughter watched the bedtime stories on our TV and we enjoyed the fireworks. And then one night down at the boat dock launch to the Magic Kingdom, right next to Narcosis, steps from our room. Down at the dock, they pipe in the music for Happily Ever After, and we are able to sit and enjoy the fireworks at Castle View. It's just beginning, your heartbeat faster.